everybody, I'm Lisa Ascolese, aka The Inventress. Welcome to Product Review.
Hey, what's up guys? My name is Chris Barr, the creator of Penalty Box Fit and the inventor of the Penalty Box. We just got done with a great workout with Lisa Ascolese, the inventress. I'm so happy and thankful to have her here. What was your opinion about this Penalty Box Fit workout?
You worked me out. This was an amazing workout. It didn't take that much time or a lot of effort, but I felt my heart rate go up. I was able to stay in beat and in time because of you. Thanks for showing me. I mean, this is definitely my pick of the week. Penalty Box is definitely my 100% pick of the week. And thank you for having me, Chris.
Thank you so much.
Great job. I love this invention.
Yes.
Can we do this once a week?
Yeah, of course.
All right.
Yeah.
Not too hard though. That was we're getting a little rough.
Hey, you'll get better though. You keep pushing it. You're good. You're good.
Well, thank you so much. How can we find this?
You can go to my website on www.penaltyboxfit.com, and there you'll have workout routines, you'll have workout videos where you can do on your phone, your laptop, anywhere, wherever you are, you're just ready to go.
And how much are they selling for now?
They're selling for $34.95.
Okay, and that's on your website?
Yep, on the website.
Go out and buy
Penalty Box Fit, baby.
Fit. Do it, get it. It's an amazing workout. Thank you again.
Thank you so much. Thank you.
Thank you so much for watching Product Review. And listen, if you have a product or you know somebody who has a product, send it my way. Just send us an email. Go to info@inventingatoz.com. That's info@inventingatoz.com. You can also go to our website. It's inventingatoz.com and fill out a form. You never know. You may see your product on Product Review. See you next time.